Okay, I put up the supplements video showing you guys the supplements I take every day. Let's look over what would be kind of an average basic night of eating within 4 hours, what I would eat. I think I've got all the pieces here together for a pretty average, common kind of a meal for me. Like I explained before, it's kind of in two phases. The first phase, I'm going to eat the stuff that will digest a little bit quicker and easier, the not as heavy stuff. So we've got this sprouted grains bread here. It's 4 grams of protein per slice. We got the lentils here, 2 cans on an average night. It's 50 grams of protein. There's always some kind of vegetables, so I just picked a few random things theoretically for tonight, like some onions, some celery, or as I like to call it, intestinal floss. Yeah. You guys ever notice all the strings inside celery? Look at that. What's it do? It's intestinal floss. Think about it. So wave 1 would have the breads, the lentils, some vegetables, and some pea protein, okay? Because I aim for about 200 grams of protein per night. So depending on how I do it, I might mix all the beans in a bowl with some seasonings. I might mix the pea protein in with it, or I might drink it separately. Either way, there will be some raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar as part of this combination of foods. It's good for cleaning your kidneys, your pineal gland. It's good for digestion. It's good for your intestinal health. So that's part of it. And I do not like the taste or smell of vinegar, but I consume it anyway because it's that valuable to me. So let's do a little math here. 50 grams of protein on the 2 of these. I might get another scoop here that's let's say it's 50 grams. Let's say we're getting another 50 here, so we're at 100. We have some slices of bread in that first wave. And each of these is 4. Let's say we do 6 slices. What's that? 24. So we're at about, what, 124 grams? Okay. Then later on the second wave, where I have the fat oils parts of it, I take all my oil soluble stuff with, fat soluble vitamins, minerals. I was using peanut butter, now I'm on to tahini. I like it better. It's ground up sesame seeds. I'll consume this whole thing in that second wave, and this will be about 80 grams of protein. So if you do the rough math there, we just passed, around 200 or a little over 200. Okay? So that's a pretty average night for me, consuming all those things. And I don't always eat the exact same thing, and I don't always eat the exact same amount, but that's a pretty average, pretty common array of things that I would eat in one 4-hour eating time frame, okay? And I'd be taking supplements with all this, of course, and there'd probably be some extra herbal seasonings and this and that, but as far as basic calories, yeah, that's a pretty common night for me, those things right there. Okay, so let me know if there's anything I didn't clarify there, but that's it. That's another Beast Feast. Over and out, Jedis.